Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make icing cookies, only way. Start by collecting all supplies and pre-washing tools to ensure no oils or residue remain on cookie surfaces. Measure ingredients accurately and sift powdered sugar for smooth icing. Set up piping bags with different tips and divide icing into small bowls for color. Keep a damp towel nearby to cover bowls so icing does not crust while you work. Mixing royal icing correctly is the foundation of perfect cookies, so be patient and precise with measurements and timing. Begin by whisking meringue powder into water, then slowly add sifted sugar until you reach a thick, pipeable texture for outlines. Reserve a portion and add small amounts of water to reach flood consistency for filling. Test the flow on a spoon and adjust in tiny increments to avoid over-thinning and losing control. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more baking tips. Quick recommendation: pick up leak-proof containers that seal tight to protect decorated cookies from smudges and spills, and they stack neatly in your pantry for party prep. I love how they keep trays level and frosting intact during transport, which saves stress before events. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Mastering technique makes a huge difference, so practice outlines, flooding, and layering with intention and calm hands. Pipe a clean outline to form a dam, then flood the interior with thinner icing using gentle motions. Use a toothpick to coax icing into corners and pop trapped bubbles quickly. Allow the base to crust before adding raised details or wet-on-wet decorations to maintain clean edges and vivid patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.